folks, so welcome back to your design school, and today is day 6 of Fusion 360. So what I have planned for today's project is this part. If you don't know what is this, let me tell you, this is a hinge. You might have seen the same hinge on the main gate of your compound where you enter the home. Let me show you how it looks. Gate hinge. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This part will be mounted to the wall, and this part will be fabricated to your gate. So this is somewhat similar to that. This will be mounted to the wall of your compound or boundary, whatever you call it, and this part will be hinged to the gate. Okay, so we'll start making this. This might look a little complicated, but it isn't. It is actually pretty easy. Let me show you how to make that. Let me just open up the software quickly. Make sure you're always connected to the internet. So okay, this is the part we're gonna make today, right? So we'll start with making this arc first. So as you know, this arc is of 36 mm radius, as it is mentioned here. The outer one is 36 mm and the inner one is 24. Let's quickly make it. Go into sketch, select right plane or front plane and use circle. Make the circle as 24 into 2 and 36 into 2. Make it 24 into 2, because they have specified it as the radius, and we have to make a circle using diameter, so that's why I've multiplied it by 2. The another was 36, right? So we'll just make it 36 into 2, enter. Okay, then use line command. As you can see, we are not able to get that exact point, so what we'll do is we'll just use the same line command. Okay, and here we'll make it construction, and we'll just make this as 100. Do the same for this side also. Okay, so again go to line. This time turn off the construction mode. Like this, you'll be able to get the exact point from where to start. Now just connect these two circles. Okay, and trim away unwanted parts. That is how it looks. Now we'll just finish the sketch. Use orbit, then select this plane, and we'll extrude it. As you can see here, the radius is 30. That means from this point to this point the distance is 30. So obviously the Length of this will be 60. Since diameter is equals to 2 times radius, use tool extrude, make it symmetric and type 60 and hit enter. Okay, so this part is ready. Now we'll make this one. So for that, we'll make this upper cylinder first, that is 88 mm of height from center of this radius what we made previously, and it has 24 mm diameter, and this one is 20 mm radius, means 40 mm. So we have to make two circles of 24 mm diameter and 40 mm diameter at the height of 88. Okay, so we'll draw it on this plane. Go to sketch. Okay, now use line command. This time go into construction, make it 88, hit enter. Then turn off this construction mode, use circle. You want it to be 24 and 40, right? So hit 24, enter. Again use circle. This time hit 40, enter. Finish the sketch. Okay, and we have to extrude this out for 34 mm. Here the dimension is given, the length of the cylinder. And select this, we'll extrude, we'll make it 34. It is going that side, so you just have to change the direction. Or you can just make it minus 34 and it will come this side. Let that be a new body. Hit OK. There it is. Now this one is ready. Even this. Now we'll make this part. For that, we just have to connect the tangents of both these circles, and we have to specify that width as 12 mm. We'll do the same. We'll go back and select either of this or this plane and go back to create a sketch. Go to line command. As you can see, we are facing the same problem here. The line is not able to select this portion. So what we'll do is go to line and make the line type construction. Make it 88. You'll get the center of the circle. Then use circle. Let the line type be construction. Make this 40 again. Okay, now go back to line. Turn off the construction. Now we'll get the exact point from where to start. Okay, we'll select here, then it will automatically show a tangent symbol. Let me show you. See see, as soon as we come to this part, it is showing a tangent symbol. Then click there. Select this line to go to command mirror. As you can see, objects have been selected here. We'll select the mirror line, select the center line and hit OK. As you can see, the same line has been mirrored. Okay, then we'll use circle. This time turn off the line type as construction. Let it be normal circle and make it 40. Okay, then trim out this unwanted part. Do the same for the below part. Make it 72, enter. Then trim the unwanted part. Okay, then finish the sketch. Now extrude this portion 12 mm. It is going the other way. Just make it -12, hit enter. Now we have completed this C portion. Now we'll make this. So for that, go into sketch, use this plane. As you can see here in the image, it has a sloping line from the end of this cylinder to the end of this cylinder. So we'll just construct the same. We'll go in line. Again, it won't select the proper corners, so make it construction. And make the radius as 36, as you can see. Enter. Then this distance we don't know, so what we'll do is, but we know this distance, it is twice the radius of this. It is 60 minus 12, we'll get this distance. So again, go to line, make sure construction is on, make it 60 minus 12, hit enter. Okay, last time we had extruded it both the sides, that's why this distance have become more. So we'll just edit that. Just go to finish sketch. We will edit the feature and make this. So as you can see, we wanted this entire distance to be 60 mm, but since I have made it symmetric, what has actually happened is this distance became 60 one side, and since I made it symmetric, it completely became 120 mm. Okay, so for that, what we'll do is just make this 30 and hit enter. Okay, perfect. And we'll just delete this. Yeah, sometimes you commit mistakes. It is the process of learning what to do. Anyways, so we'll go back to sketch, select the front plane. Okay, we'll go back to line, make it construction. From here we'll make it 36, enter. Then again construction line. This one will be 60 minus 12. Perfect there. Okay, then we don't know this distance, so this distance is center of this circle to this circle minus 36 mm minus 20 mm. 36 plus 20 will be 56 minus 88. Okay, 88 minus 56. So go to construction line, make it 88 minus 56. Yeah, perfect. Use the same command again. Okay, so this time we want this distance. For that we have to do 34 minus 12. We'll just make it 34 minus 12, hit enter right over there. So now go back to line command, turn off the construction mode and just go on tracing all the points we have made so far. And that's it. Pretty easy and straight on the point. Now select this. So as you can see, this dimension isn't given, but you can assume this and this, both the dimensions are almost equal. So we'll make this thickness also 12. Okay, so use extrude, make it symmetric and enter 6. Each side 6 will be, the whole thickness will get as 12. Okay, hit enter. Easy, right? Now what we are left with? Only this portion. We have to make it base now. So for that we have to make two circles at a distance of 60 degrees apart from the center of this circle. Okay, so what we have to make is we'll use the bottom plane. Go here into sketch, use this plane. Okay, use construction line. We'll make this as 60. Okay, then we'll make a circle here of 24 mm diameter. 2 holes means one, this one and this one. Okay, so we'll use circle, turn off construction, make it 24, enter. then we have to make this. So this bigger circle, outer circle, has a radius of 30 mm. So again use circle, radius of 30, that means diameter of 60. Enter. Okay, we'll make this slightly bigger. The outer circle will make that as 72 mm diameter, so that it should collide with this, just like that. Then we'll use line. Construction, make it 50. Hit enter. Do the same for the upper one. Okay. Then again use line. This time turn off the construction. It won't. If it doesn't pick the correct point where you want it to be, then just make a construction line. Make that as 36. And 30. Enter. Now use normal line, turn off construction. Just connect from the corner to the circle that we made just now. And mirror the same. Select mirror line as this horizontal line. Hit enter. Okay guys, so I found out that we did a mistake here. So this is what it looks. So rather than creating this plane here, what we just did is we have made this entire part here where this canal is there. Okay, let me just show you. So this has to be here. By mistakenly we have made it here, but that's the benefit with the software. You don't have to worry about it. Let me show you how you can fix this issue. Okay, just zoom out a little bit. Press and hold down your right click and just drag it over whatever you have made so far. It will select some items. Then just use the command called move. If you don't find it here in somewhere modify, it is there. Either you can use this move command or you can just press M. Okay, now this time what we have to do is move type, change it to rotate. Okay, then it will ask to select the axis. So for that what we have to do is we just have to rotate whatever we have made to this side, slightly this side. So for that we have to select the vertical axis. Okay, so go here and visible, turn on the visibility of the origin, you'll get to see this blue line. Just select that line, okay, and here you can see you'll get a circle type of symbol. Just try to rotate it, as you can see, like this. It has to be accurate to 70 degrees, okay, and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, now go back, select the bottom plane. We are almost correct. Just make this 72 mm as 60. Okay, and delete these lines. Also this one, and go back to line, make it construction, make this as 30. Then the horizontal one, make that as how much it is. $36, as you can see here. That is 36. Enter. Okay. Now use line. Turn off the construction. Connect this to the circle, and from here to the center. Do the same for the below portion also. Go to line, construction, make this 30 and this as 36. Turn off the construction, use line, connect this to the circle, this to the center line, and now we'll trim out the unwanted portion. Okay, just like that. And now we'll finish the sketch. Okay, as you can see there. Now we'll extrude this portion for 12 mm. You can see a little bit gap here. If you don't want that gap to be visible, just cancel whatever you did, go back to your sketch, edit that sketch, and delete this line, this also, and go to line, make it construction, make this one as 30. Okay, once you make that as 30, use line, connect it to the edges, these two. Again use line to connect. This time turn off the construction. Use line, connect to the circle. Do the same for the other side. Okay, and connect this also. It will turn into blue color. Now we'll copy the same. We'll just mirror this to this line, and the same will appear at the bottom side. Hit OK, finish the sketch. Okay, turn off the origin. Select this portion. Press and hold the control button. Select the other portion and hit extrude. Make the distance as 12 mm. Hit enter. Oops. Don't worry, just go here into extrude, edit the feature. It was in cut operation, I didn't saw that. Just make it join. Okay, and then hit enter. Yeah, after a lot of struggles we are there, right? Now spot the differences if you see any. Yeah, perfect. Now what we'll just do is we'll change the material of this entire thing. So for that, right click anywhere on this. You'll get all of these options. Just go into appearance. Tab will open up like this, then scroll down. You have some options like fabric, glass, leather, cloth, metal, mirror. There are plenty of those. We'll just go into metal and we'll make it of what material we want it to be. We'll make it of steel. Okay, then go there and you can select any of those. If you haven't downloaded all these skins, you can just download by clicking there. We'll make it cast steel. Okay, you just have to drag it from here and leave anywhere on top of the object that you have made, and it will change. Okay, if you want it to be in saddle screen, that is how it looks. If you want it to be colorful, you can even do that. You just have to go here, steel satin, go to edit, what color you want it to be. If you want red, you can do that. If you want black, you can do it completely black. We'll keep it somewhat like this. Done. Close the tab. And it is ready. Nice in red color. Hope you enjoyed it, learned whatever we learned so far. It wasn't that difficult, but not as easy as always. We are progressing every single day. Stay tuned. Hope you liked the video and learned something today. I'll be coming up with the same. I'll be increasing the difficulty day by day. So keep practicing. Goodbye.